2NE1's disbandment in 2016 remains the most shocking news of the K-pop industry in 2016. Recently, the incident was once again discussed on social media after CL's interview with AP Entertainment was published. 2NE1's former leader revealed that she herself did not know about 2NE1's disbandment until it was reported through the news. Netizens questioned the real reason for YG's decision to disband 2NE1 without even informing the members beforehand. Were there any conflicts within the group or between the members with YG? In his latest video, entertainment reporter Lee Jin-ho revealed more details about 2NE1's heartbreaking disbandment. Accordingly, after Minzy left the group in 2016, 2NE1 still had plans to promote with a three-member lineup. CL, Dara, and Bomb prepared for their comeback album and even recorded new songs, but eventually, 2NE1 still disbanded to everyone's surprise. The revealed reasons were because things did not go well and YG had troubles managing a group member. Lee Jin-ho said that the 2NE1 member whose identity was not revealed caused the group's comeback to end up getting cancelled. CEO Yang was the only one who was determined to keep 2NE1 with a three-member lineup, but was eventually forced to bid farewell to the group due to problems with managing that one member. Reporter Lee added, Blackpink's debut was pushed earlier than planned because of 2NE1's regrettable situation, and 2NE1's journey sadly came to an end. On social media, fans expressed their surprise at what was revealed by industry insider Lee Jin-ho. Many netizens speculated the member who hindered 2NE1's comeback plan was Park Bom. Bom's banned drug scandal once had a heavy influence on 2NE1. At its peak in 2014, the group had to temporarily suspend activities due to public pressure after Bom's scandal. For many years, most fans have believed that the indirect cause of 2NE1's disbandment was Park Bom. In an interview in 2017, President Yang also mentioned Bomb with the implication that she was the reason that led to YG's decision to disband 2NE1. I really wanted to protect 2NE1, but after Minzy left the group, I had to make a different decision. The main reason was because of Bomb's health. After the incident in 2014, she received a lot of criticism, under a lot of pressure and feeling guilty. I told her that 2NE1 is very important, but I also want her to put her own mental health and physical health first. With the information that reporter Lee revealed, the theory of 2NE1's disbandment because of Park Bom continues to be reinforced. Thus, after 5 years, 2NE1 fans finally also know the details of the group's sudden disbandment. Many fans also realize that this is the reason why Blackpink sings many songs from the old music store of their seniors. 2NE1 recorded many songs but they stopped working for too long and didn't get a chance to release them. At the same time, YG was preparing for Blackpink's debut. Therefore, the company allowed Blackpink to re-record songs that were originally given to 2NE1.